Hello again. It's Town and Country on another walk. This one we're in Southall again. It's just going to be a short one this time. We're currently just on the Uxbridge Road at the junction with South Road and Lady Margaret Road, and we're going to be walking up to Southall Station. So it's probably about a 20-minute walk this one, not too far. Good conditions for walking. It's bright and sunny, bit of winter sunshine. Currently about 7 degrees centigrade, 50 Fahrenheit. A little bit windy but dry. See if I can cross here. It's around about 11:30 in the morning, so it's fairly busy. Mid-morning traffic, people doing their deliveries. No school run or rush hour. There's a nice clear sky, which is good, because yesterday it was pouring down the rain all day. I didn't manage to do any filming, though I know some people do like the rain walks. I didn't have a big enough umbrella to withstand the rain, it was that heavy. So today's much better. Right, so we're just coming up to the Broadway junction, the Three Horseshoes, which used to be a pub, but now it is converted into shops. But they've kept the signage. Oh, very loud. And there's the old Southall Town Hall. I'm not sure if that's still the Town Hall, or mainly it's all done from administration, all done from Ealing now, because it comes under Ealing Borough. And you've got the Broadway, the old sign up there, 1905. So that'll let you know how old them buildings are. Turn of the century. There's some new developments going on there. There's a lot of work going on in South at the moment. You've got the old Himalaya Palace, I think that says. That used to be a cinema, and then it was converted into an Indian cinema, I believe, which is where the architecture and the roof would have came from. That was in the 70s or 80s, and then it's been, I suppose, with people, the advent of videos and home movies, everybody just watched them indoors, and it didn't really have a market anymore, so it's converted into shops. Changing face of Southall. Yeah, so it's nice and bright and sunny. It is a little bit cold and windy, but hopefully the wind is not going to spoil the audio too much. If you want to follow along with the walk, not too far this one. Very popular market there. Very light traffic actually. Normally this road can be chock-a-block, bumper to bumper the whole length of it, but I suppose with a lot of people working from home and also it being mid-mornings, not rush hour, the old King's Hall there. Got a lot of trees growing out of it. I wonder what goes on inside there. No, I've never noticed that skylight up there before. In the pub. Oh, not a pub, it's a restaurant. Used to be the Glassy Junction. Oh, I've never noticed that before. And it's an original one as well. By the look of it. You can see that. Oh, the light was still on red, but it was clear, so I went across. There's some trees growing out of that building, but I think those ones have been planted there intentionally. That's the showroom for the Green Quarter, which is all that redevelopment going on over the back there. Barclay Homes, TGQ, and the old water tower in the distance. A big car park. Anyway, we're going to end the walk here at Southall station. Hope you enjoyed it. Seems like a quick walk, this one. Nice new walkways at these stations, they've all been done up for the Elizabeth line. Done a nice job of them. Brought them all up to date. Well, just looking at those buildings there and how high they are. Good views over London. But anyway, we're going to end the video there. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below if you'd like me to cover any other areas. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.